Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to start December with this new project that is called Vlogmas. And if you are new, you know that I usually post videos on the Wednesdays at 10 a.m. every Wednesday. Okay, so now starting this project about Vlogmas on YouTube is like a challenge for the YouTubers where we try to post as often as we can during this month, and it will be mostly about the holidays and about some traditions and things that we can do with the kids at home. I have a lot of surprises for you during this month, so hopefully you can stay tuned. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk to you about the first tradition which I have started since last year, because our family is small in the sense that my children are small. What I try to do on the 1st of December is to start with some advent calendars. I'm gonna show you what I do. Let's get started. I don't know if you already know about the advent calendars, but to be honest, I am new at this. I didn't know about them until like maybe a couple of years ago when I started looking in the stores, and when I was single I didn't even know about them. I wasn't interested in anything like that. The traditions were from my mom and my mom's family, and right now I am building my own. So I started like getting to know more about advent calendars, and I realized that there were some calendars for the children, and I was like, really, what are they gonna get in those advent calendars? So at that time, 2 years ago, my daughter was really small still. She was 2 years, and I actually didn't buy anything during that year because we went to Mexico and we did some other stuff. But last year I started this tradition, and I told them that the elves came to help her to count the days until Christmas, and that the elves wanted her to have this advent calendar so she can keep count until when it was Christmas. And last year I just got her the advent calendars because my son wasn't really into it, and I don't think that he will be really into it this year either because he's only 20 months, but I do think that he will be interested in Becky's. I got him some as well. I'm gonna talk to you about what I found on some of the calendars, and you can actually find some advent calendars at the toy stores. You can also find them at Amazon, and think that by now they must be on sale because of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and also because, well, December is almost started. So I think it's not too late for you to get one if you want to get one of those toys advent calendars. There are from Peppa Pig, Paw Patrol, and I will show you somewhere around here some of the ones you can find for kids, for children, and there are for all the ages. Of course, there are for adults as well, but this video is especially made just for the children's one. The last year I got my daughter the one that it was about Peppa Pig, and she was really into Peppa, so I got her that one, and it was a total success, and I was really glad that I got it because it had like all the characters of Peppa Pig, and it also had like the Christmas tree, some presents, a scooter, a bicycle. It was really nice. They still keep playing with those little dolls of Peppa Pig, and I think we will be having them play with them as well during this month. I also got her one, and it was Kinder, the chocolate brand. Really nice for her to have a nice treat as and also a nice like a toy, a little toy every day until the Christmas day. So I'm gonna show you now what I got them this year. So I'm gonna show you what I got for them. And for my little boy who is 20 months old, I got her this one. This is the Kinder Mix Advent Calendar, and it's really nice, and I know that he will be enjoying it because he loves chocolates as well as my daughter. Every day he will be getting a chocolate. This is really nice because it has this carousel, and it might have like a Kinder Surprise inside as well. So I hope they enjoy it. It says it has 9 Kinder Mini Eggs, 1 Kinder Surprise, also 9 of these ones, 9 Kinder Chocolates, and 2 Kinder Hollow Santa, like these ones. So this is what you will be getting, and you will be getting one every day, and you can just push into these little in the boxes and the numbers, and you will get your chocolate. And we weren't sure about getting this one, but I know that he will love it because he already loves Hot Wheel cars. So we got him this one. This is a Hot Wheels Advent Calendar, and I know that he will be enjoying it a lot. It has a lot of cool toys, cool cars, even like a car in the shape of sleigh, I think, and Santa is in one of those cars. So it will be really nice. And in a game like this, they will be able like to have this station and put all the little toys and cars here. See, I'm gonna show it to you here, and these are the cars that you will be getting, some of them. Okay, and this is the front of the box. I got this on Indigo, but I know that you can have it in Amazon as well. I will leave the link on the description box down below for you to look for it in Amazon. For my daughter, I also got her the Kinder Surprise box, but in pink. I think this will be like more female stuff, and in case that she gets like a Kinder Surprise, the surprises and the chocolates will be the same. The only thing I think that differs from the other one is that it's pink, but I don't think that there will be a lot of difference in the toys and the little toys that you got here. And as for the Advent Calendar for her, I got her the Playmobil calendar. I really like this one, and I like these little dolls because they are like regular people, like normal people, and they have different types of dolls. And she already has some like a school of the Playmobil, and it's really nice. This brand, I really like it. This is a toy store, so it's really nice because it's like the children going to the store and they will get a picture with Santa. It even has their own laptop for the cashier here, so I really like it. Let's see, I got this also in Indigo, so you can look for it in any other store, but I think that you will find it also in Amazon. And you will find all the little dolls here, and she will be getting one each day of the month. And I'd like you to tell me in the comments below what are the traditions that you start in December with your little ones, your family, and if you get them some calendars, some Advent calendars, which ones did you get for them? And maybe you did your own and you just add some little toys or little presents there. That is awesome as well. I sometimes don't have time to do extra things for them, so that's why I just got them. It was kind of easier for me to get them these just in the store. They are packed, they are ready. I don't have to build the boxes in the calendar, but I also would love to make one for them one day. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you the next time. Bye bye.